Hey everyone, welcome to this brand new series of Solidity tutorials. I will be creating a sequence of videos and will be teaching Solidity in detail. So if you are looking for a tutorial to learn Solidity, this tutorial is made just for you. So let's get started. Hello all, I am Kamran and I'm a full stack blockchain developer and I'm gonna teach you all about blockchain development. I already have a series of videos where I have explained about the fundamentals of blockchain and now I'll be creating these videos to teach you how you can build your own dApps on the top of a blockchain. This video is all about why we use Solidity and what is the use of Solidity programming language at all. So in a traditional web development, we have this web application where we all do all this stuff, where we have front end, DBs, backend, and lot more things. These apps are developed using different programming languages and deployed on one server, and its users uses the app from there. Like it's a centralized based approach. So in blockchain like Ethereum, along with storing data, we can also build apps just like traditional web, but with the blockchain features. In order to build a decentralized app or dApps on Ethereum, we need Solidity programming language. Now the question is why even go for dApps? So let's discuss more some benefits of dApps. Firstly, it is open source, so anyone can have a look at what's going on in behind the scenes and nothing is kept in a black box. Second benefit is everything on blockchain is immutable, so are dApps. Once you define the rules for your dApps, it's there always. Not even the creator can change that. So you have to be very careful before deploying anything on the blockchain. Once if there is an error, it can't be resolved. And the most important feature of dApps is censorship resistance. In simple words, no one controls what you do on the dApps. So it's good and bad depending on the situations. So how exactly no one controls? As in this traditional web applications, there is a central system where the whole application is deployed. A system can control the flow of data and its usage. So government or the owner of the application can change or stop or even like block completely that application any point of time. But in blockchain, application is deployed in multiple blocks of a blockchain. So it is not possible to turn down the application. That means the application will always be available to the user at any point of time. So let's now talk about the types of dApps. So there are basically two different type of dApps. One is the core dApps in which the backend is on the decentralized blockchain and even the front end is also decentralized. So in that case, we use IPFS to deploy our front end of the application. And there is also a mixed kind of dApps in which backend is decentralized and the front end is centralized and deployed on a single server. We are going to focus on both the type of dApps and slowly we are going to create both or type of dApps and you will get an idea what is the main difference and for how we differ between those kind of dApps. Our whole focus of this whole series will be developing different kind of dApps and interacting with different kind of data inside this dApp and then deploy these dApps on blockchain. So for that we are going to use some demo blockchains. I will surely will explaining how you can pin up your own blockchain and mostly we are going to work on the Ethereum blockchain. So for Ethereum blockchain we are going to use this Solidity programming language and in this whole series I'm going to teach you as a fresher how you can use Solidity programming language in your dApps. I hope you guys are as excited as I am for learning the new technology and learning how you can develop your own dApps on Ethereum blockchain. So I will suggest please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell as well so that whenever I am going to upload the video in this series, you will get that video on your notification. And slowly we are going to become a master in developing dApps. Thanks everyone. Happy coding everyone.